Does this sound familiar? You pick your child up from school, and within minutes, they snap. Backpack tossed, shoes kicked, tears or yelling. You wonder, what happened? Did something go wrong at school? But often, it's not one big thing. It's the release of holding it together all day. School takes all their focus, patience, and self-control. By the time they get home, their emotional tank is empty. And anger becomes the spark that lets it all out. In our home, afternoons were explosions waiting to happen. The second he stepped in the door, boom, shouting about snacks, refusing homework, snapping at his sister. At first, I thought maybe school was awful, but teachers said he was fine all day. That's when I realized he'd been bottling up stress, following rules, staying quiet. By 3 p.m., he was drained. Once I saw after-school meltdowns as a release, not defiance, I stopped blaming and started planning. We created rituals to help him decompress, and slowly, afternoons got calmer. The surprise? The fix wasn't diving straight into homework or chores. It was giving space for transition. Kids need what I call a bridge routine. A snack, some movement, or quiet time before demands pile back on. For us, this meant a 10-minute snack plus silence rule, outdoor play before homework, and a feelings check-in chart. Once we made this shift, afternoons stopped being a war zone. Here's the 3-step routine that helped calm our after-school chaos. Part A, understand the volcano. We use the Anger Volcano to show small stress builds like lava until it explodes at home. Part B, dig deeper. We use the Anger Iceberg Worksheet to explore feelings under the anger: tired, hungry, lonely. Part C, coping rituals. We pulled from coping with anger, breathing, drawing, outside play. We built these into the first 15 minutes after school. Troubleshooting lower thirds. 1. Meltdown at door. Offer snack before questions. 2. Yelling at siblings. Build 5 minutes of solo space. 3. Refusing homework. Try bridge play, then start. With these tools, afternoons turned from dread into manageable moments. Within 2 weeks, meltdowns shrink. Instead of tossing his backpack, he'd grab a snack, flop on the couch, and reset. The anger didn't vanish, it softened. He learned to name feelings underneath, and I learned to give him room to decompress. Even teachers noticed. He came back to school the next day calmer, ready. That's why I built the 27-page Anger Management Bundle, because no parent should brace for explosions at pickup. Inside, you'll find the Anger Volcano and Iceberg Worksheets, coping tools for after-school resets, anger triggers and warning signs charts, positive self-talk and reset rituals. It's ready to print today. Try 1 page tomorrow. Start with the Anger Volcano. Show your child how stress builds up, or circle feelings on the Iceberg Worksheet. Comment volcano or reset to tell me which one you'll try. Tomorrow in day 4, we'll cover sibling fights, how to stop anger from turning playtime into battles.